to come out to the key box, which is located right across from all the Invers vehicles. By the time you've made the reservation, you should receive a email confirmation. In order to get into the key box, you will need that access code. The access code will then be entered here. Code here. It'll then prompt you to either open up door 1 or 2, 1 being here on the left and 2 on the right. The booking will then light up the key that has been reserved for you. So in this case, I've got number 7, and it'll yell at you to close the door. Once you've returned from your trip, a rideshare or city business, otherwise, it's very simple to return the key. You're just going to hold up this black fob that says Invers on it up to the window. It'll then prompt you to open either door depending on what switch is available, and you can just plug that key right back in. You're going to give it a second, just make sure it confirms your data for the trip that you took on. It'll beep and you close the door.